Washington School. Once again, I'm here with my daughter, Emma, and my son, James. We're going to share with you another lesson that you could do for physical education. First, we're going to start off with a warm-up. So everyone, let's go. Arm circles forward. And backwards. Let's do our scissor arms. And trunk twists. Side bends. How you doing back here? Good. And knees to elbows. Good. Feet together. Let's reach down and touch our toes. A little bit apart. Let's reach to just one side. James, just reach to one side. And switch. And the middle. Good. Sitting on the floor. Butterfly stretch. Put your feet together on the bottoms. There you go. And straddle stretch and reach to your right. And to the left. And to the middle as far as you can. Okay, this is the part of the warm-ups where we would normally do our sit-ups and push-ups just like last time. Since we're on the hard wood here, I'll just have you do them at home. You could time yourself and see how many you could do in 30 seconds. So you see how many sit-ups you could do in 30 seconds. And then for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, you could time yourself for push-ups and see how many push-ups you could do in 30 seconds. For our 1st and 2nd graders, you could do a set of ABC push-ups. All right, today what we're going to do is, since we had such positive feedback for our field day activities, I'm going to teach you a few new activities that you could do and you could participate in as your phys ed lessons for each week. Okay, this activity is called the water bottle trap. You can see what you need is a basket. I have a laundry basket. You could use any type of basket, but I have a laundry basket. You need an empty water bottle. You need something to mark distance, and you need one sock ball, all right? Your distance has to be 8 to 10 feet away from your water bottle trap. In order to make the water bottle trap, you have to put the basket up on one edge on the water bottle. The object of this game is to take that sock ball and roll it or throw it underhand to try to knock that water bottle down. And what you really want to do is get the sock ball and the water bottle trapped under the basket. If you get the sock ball and water bottle trapped under the basket, you get 3 points. If you get just the sock ball trapped under the basket and it collapses on the sock ball, you get 1 point. If you get the bottle trapped under the basket, you get 2 points, all right? The sock ball must hit the water bottle for it to count. So if the sock ball comes flying through and just hits the basket and knocks it down, it does not count. So you're aiming for that water bottle. I have my daughter Emma here. She's going to actually help us see how it works. You're going to get timed for 1 minute. So you have to have a timer. If you knock it over, you have to pick it up and set it up again. That's all part of the game. So you're going to see how many points you could get in that 1 minute. Ready, Emma? And go. That's 3 points. Excellent. Set it up. All right, no points there, even though it knocked it over because you didn't touch the bottle first. So that's no points. So you're still on 3 points. You got to hit the bottle first. This is the tricky part, setting it back up. Up again, it knocked it over, but didn't touch the water bottle, so that's still no points. So she still has 3 points. You have just about 20 seconds left. Hit the bottle and in, that's 6 points, and stop. Excellent. Now you can see, obviously the hardest part is setting it back up, but it's a pretty fun game. Next activity is called Climb the Ladder. I have my son James here to help me show how to play this game. All right? We have our markers here again to try to mark out the distance from the actual ladder, about 10 feet. Underneath the ladder here, under the first rung, we have an empty water bottle. What James is going to do is he's going to use sock balls to try to knock it over. This is not a timed activity. We're just counting how many throws it takes to knock the water ball over. After he knocks it over underneath this rung, what you'll do is you'll take it and you'll put it on the next rung of the ladder. All right, once he knocks it over there, we'll move it up to the next rung, each time counting how many throws it takes. And then we'll total up the number of throws as he moves up the ladder, and that will be his score. If you don't have a ladder, you could use a staircase at your house. Maybe there's stairs to get into your house. Maybe there's stairs to go up to the second floor of your house. You just have to count how many times you throw that sock to get up each step. So let's see, James. Ready? We have a basket full of sock balls here, just to be prepared. It's not a race, so you could go as slow as you want to throw those sock balls and hit that bottle over. Let's begin. Go ahead. That's 1. Pick up another one. Look right at that bottle. That's 2. Pick up another. That's 3. Good. He got 3 to get it when it was on the floor. We're going to go to the next rung, so we're on 3 right now. Go ahead. Throw a sock ball. Keep going. Look at that bottle. Good, that's 4, or 5, I'm sorry. And then we're gonna go up to the next one. Keep going. Up. Nope, that didn't count because it fell off on its own. Keep going. Good, that was his 8th sock ball. We're moving up that ladder. Ooh, that was close. Get another sock ball. Go ahead. Good, that was 9. Collect all those sock balls, James, and I'll put it up on the next rung. Good, you can put them back in the basket. So we're on 9 throws. Go ahead, try to get that one. Excellent. Bottle over the side. Get your next sock ball. I'll take the bottle. That was 10 throws. This is the last rung. Let's see. Whoa, pretty close. Concentrate now. That was 13 throws. Concentrate. Get that ball. 15 so far. Excellent. Very nice. 16 throws. And that's how we do it. Now remember, if you don't have a ladder, this is a 6-foot ladder. You could use any staircase in your house, inside or outside. Okay, this activity is called wind bowling. You got choices here. One, you could use a paper plate, or you could use a balloon. All right, I figure a lot of you have plates, not a lot of you might have balloons, so I'm going to show you with the paper plates. You can see I have 10 plastic cups set up on a table. The object here is I'm going to get 1 minute to get these cups to go off the table by blowing them over by making wind. All right, if you have a balloon, obviously you would blow it up, point it at the cups, and try to knock them over. All right, I'm going to use the paper plate and use it as a fan to get them off the table. You get 1 minute, there's 10 cups. Every cup you get off the table counts as a point. I'm going to have James time me. Are you ready, James? Ready? And go. And stop. So I still have 44 seconds left. I did that in 15 seconds. I got 10 points. So let's see if you could beat me and get it in quicker than 15 seconds.